guys ready?
Oh yeah, look at this. Look at this.
Got the bike all loaded. Hey Jeremy.
Yeah, ready to do this.
Fucking 160 Swiftly.
That backpack better be full of drinks.
Oh yeah, we got some beers in the backpack for sure, but...
This is your helmet?
No, it's yours for today.
Oh, I'm using this one.
Okay, there's Gio's. Alright, well this one's suiting because it's already all muddy. That's what we're about to go do, is get muddy.
Oh yeah, man.
Decent trails. Should be fun. We'll see you guys when we get there. Man, I just saw you going in hot too, and I was like, oh shit, that's gonna get a little sketchy.
What do you smell? Something's burning. Smells plastic or fuel or something.
See, yeah, he lives right there, Gio.
On to start with work right now.
He knows exactly who we are too.
160 Swiftly.
Yeah.
I got all over my shirt.
Me too.
Yeah, the one time I don't wear mine. Wow, we went skating. I'm like, yo, let's wear the 160. Shows up with this other shirt.
Oh yeah, I got wet there. Well, I've come to the conclusion that this is not going to be a dry ride. Woo! What's happening?
What's happening?
You got the whole strap wrapped around, bud.
Oh yeah, it's not good.
No.
That's not the whole strap.
Well, it was about to be.
Oh yeah, my feet, look at this. I'm so, oh yeah.
What else did you lose out of here?
Look at this.
Oh yeah. You know what? I wasn't even trying to get wet. And because you were sending it so hard, I was like, I'm just gonna get my feet wet, I guess.
Hit the share button. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. Let's go.